And in this tip we are going to talk about chandeliers. Chandeliers generally are used in the living room and the drawing room to enhance the beauty. Illumination is secondary, primary is the jewelry, because this creates a wonderful ambience. Also they become focal point. At the same time you can use them to create a rhythm in your interior. We will talk about themes as well, but since we are talking about the chandeliers, and they are generally used in the drawing room and living room. Besides this, you can use them on dining tables as well. We are not talking about themes, we will talk about the theme and designs later. But remember, if you are using them in the drawing room, in your drawing room, then there should be a table beneath. And also if you are using it in the bedroom, then there should be a bed beneath. Otherwise they may not look that attractive. Diameter should be as good as the chandelier size, and the center table size should always match. Otherwise they will not look that great. This is tip number 1. Let's start the next one.